Red, red wine goes to my head, makes me forget that I still need you so. Red, red wine, it's up to you. All I can do, I've learned, memories won't go. Memories won't go. I just sworn that with time, thoughts of you would leave my head. I was wrong, now I find just one thing makes me forget. Red, red wine, stay close to me. Don't let me be alone. It's tearing me apart. My blue, blue heart.
My blue, blue heart. Late night vibes, got the glass in my hand, trying to heal, but you wouldn't understand. Every sip got me lost in the past. Memories hit and they fade and they crash. I was strong, now I'm breaking inside. All this love that I just can't hide. You were mine, now you drift like smoke. Every promise we made just broke. Now I'm sipping just to ease that pain, dancing slow in the pouring rain. Red, red wine be my therapy, but it still bring you back to me, yeah. Oh, yeah. Still bring you back to me. I just sworn that with time, thoughts of you would leave my head. I was wrong, now I find just one thing makes me forget. Red, red wine, stay close to me. Don't let me be alone. It's tearing me apart. My blue, blue heart.
Red wine, you make me feel so fine. You keep me rocking all of the time. Red, red wine, you make me feel so grand. I feel $1 million when you're just in my hand. Red, red wine, you make me feel so sad. Anytime I see you go, it make me feel bad. Give me a little time, make me clear up my mind. Give me red wine, it make me feel fine.
Red, red